Here are two websites where you can get all these funny sounds that you can attach to your video, like this one. Yeah, let's go to my screen. Let me show you. So you head over to your browser and search my instance. And click search. This first link, you tap it. Here are the sounds. Here are all the sounds. Let's tap this one so that you can see it. Yeah. Anyone you want to download, you tap on it. You tap on the name. Once you tap on the name, you see download to MP3 here. Download to MP3. You tap on the download to MP3. You see download. You tap on the download. It's downloading. That's downloaded finish. So you can still open it and this is it. So as for the second one, you go to your browser again. You click on the search bar and search for Real Money Studio. You click search. The first link, Real Money Studio. You tap on the link. To open like this. You scroll down. Yeah, here are the sound. So here are the sounds. So if you want to download it, you click on download page. You tap the download page. You scroll down. You see download MP3. You tap on it or you tap these three dots here and click download. And click another download here. Just started downloading. Open it as downloaded finish. So